I'm Beck, the Posture Queen. Welcome to my first Bingo Wings video where I'm going to teach you some exercises for these parts behind the back of your arm. Now, just as a bit of research, I've been looking around and seeing what else is on YouTube to teach you how to do this stuff. And most of it is either ineffective because the loads are so light, just using your arm to do this is not going to do much, or the exercises are so complicated and there's not enough information on how to do them well that you're going to hurt yourself. So these exercises should help your bingo wings look better with some consistent approach. And just remember, we can't change that the skin on the back of those arms, once we hit 40, has started to go soft and jiggly. That's just how it is. But doing some targeted exercises should have them looking their best in no time. Good luck. Welcome to the Bingo Wings workout. First exercise, bent over tricep kickback. Feet shoulder width apart. Draw your tailbone to the wall behind you, lengthen through your chest. Keep your elbows close to the body and squeeze into the back of the arms as you straighten. Split stance kickback. Squeeze into the back of the arms and remember to breathe. 4 point. Keep a gap between the ear and the shoulder. Activate your tummy muscles and remember to breathe. Keep that elbow close. Lying down triceps extension. Lower the dumbbells beside your ears. Keep the gap between the ear and the shoulder and squeeze into the back of the arm as you straighten. Don't let the elbows flare out to the side. Keep them close. Remember to breathe. Single arm triceps extension. We will lower that dumbbell across to the opposite shoulder slowly and squeeze into the back of the arm as we straighten. Triceps press. Activate your core. Lower the dumbbells towards the floor, keeping the elbows close to your body. Think about your posture. Open your chest as you lower those dumbbells. Overhead triceps extension. Lower the dumbbells beside your ears slowly. Squeeze into the back of the arms as you straighten. Hey everyone, so give those exercises a go and watch the shape of your arms improve over the next 4 to 6 weeks. Aim to do them 2 to 3 times a week, and I've put during the videos what the repetition range is for you and the amount of sets you should do depending on whether you're a beginner or an intermediate. And if you want to see more videos from me or you want to be notified when a new video is ready, then go to my YouTube channel and press subscribe and make sure that you turn on your notifications. Hope to see you soon, and if you find these exercises helpful, make sure you put that in the comments. See you soon.